tell you what, he's gonna be extremely mad when I load this bike up. January 20. Stickered twice in a row, brakes off, front wheel drive. Anyway, this is pretty nerve-wracking here, man. I know this guy with his Harley. Depending on what kind of biker he is. Like I said, you can't never tell with bikers, man. If this guy's a real biker, he's gonna try to pull me out of the truck. That's just how they are. Some bikers are normal, some peaceful, but not all of them are that nice. And nobody, I ain't never found anybody that was nice about me towing their motorcycle. I have done payouts on Harleys on the back of the truck, and I've towed them off too. But anyway, I'm trying to get this thing off the property, get to my safe zone at least. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and write these up, man, and sign them out. Anyway, this Harley ain't got no tag on it. It's a no tag bike. Either way, it's got to go to the yard. It's just what we do. We pull up and yank them. People get mad, man. I hope this guy don't chase us down, but it does happen. Anyway, we made it safely off the property so far. That guy right there is his name's Ruby. He's a brand new employee here, but he's from East Harlem. It's where he grew up at. He's a super nice guy. I like him working here. What's up, Ruby?
Oh man, how's it going?
What's going on, bro?
Good morning, everybody. Don't get your cars impound. These guys are nothing but the truth. I'm telling you, you wind up in here, you ask for patrol. You should have known better than park the car in the wrong place, let your tag go bad. So you better be on time. Put yourself on check.
Hey there, it's Tow Trucker. We're back doing the same thing we always do. This property manager here, she's got inspection coming. She said the owner notified her that they got an inspection, and he told her she needs to clean this property up. So we got flat tires and tags. Here's a flat tired car. I don't know about the tag, but it's got a flat tire and it's got to go according to the owner of the property. Every city is different. Every state's different, but here where we live at, we yank cars. If the property wants them gone, we got no problem coming over here and taking them off the property, because that's what we're hired to do. I got two guys leaning on this truck back here, and this truck's got a February tag on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit my dash, hit my body cam. What's going on, man?
What's up, man?
Is this yours too?
That's mine.
She got inspection coming. The manager, the owner,
Yeah.
told her she got inspection.
Yeah. I don't know why you gotta put it over here, this sticker over here.
On what?
Oh, you see? When they have to do December.
Yeah.
Pues la troca también me la quiere llevar, la troca. Y apenas acabo de aplicar al sticker porque no estaba abierto. Se lo paso a él. Ajá. Sí, pero él se la quiere llevar ahorita. Dije, aquí le puse un sticker y que se la va a levantar ahorita, se lo voy a pasar aquí ahorita.
Oh, you got December tag on the bike, man. Why do you think it got a sticker put on it?
I don't know what happened.
It's a December tag. It got a sticker because
Yeah,
it's
she wants
tired.
to talk to you.
Hello?
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I believe that this belongs to him because I know he told me.
Yeah, the truck and he's got two right here side by side, but both of them got bad tags on them. He's asking me why we put stickers on the bike.
Yeah, he was working on them and then he got backed up.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll leave him here. I mean, it's completely up to you. It's completely up to you what you tow. And if you don't get it fixed by the time the inspection happens, then I'll come back through here if you need me to.
Okay. Can
Okay.
you just hold on that?
Yeah, for sure, for certain. Thank you.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Yep.
What'd you say?
She said, hold on. She said, hold on. She's gonna give you time. Hey, but she got inspection coming, so just make sure you take care of it. Have a good one, man. Take care. Yep. So he's got a limited time. If you don't fix that problem with those two vehicles, the bike and the truck, they will get towed. This lady will call us up the day before inspection, and it won't be no more talking about it. When her inspection happens, it will be cleared out of here. I guarantee it. That's how they work. They give these people up to the last day of inspection, and when the people are coming to walk the property, they tow the day before. There won't be nothing here for the inspection. We're right around the corner, right here in front of the office. We got one. This particular car, that white Hyundai, it's got a 2019 dealer plate. Somebody's altered the year on the plate, and they've also altered the month. So it's been doctored up. I'm gonna go ahead and load it, and then I'll video the tag. We're back at the yard with this little Hyundai, and this is the tag that he's got on it, and you can tell he put white out on the tag and tried to change the day. Then he turned around and tried to change the 2019, and he tried. This is supposed to be a 2. He tried to make that into a 2 and a 0. Try to be a 2020 tag, but you can tell this ain't. This tag right here is a 2019, June 2019 drive out tag. Anyway, when I pulled out, I was putting my drag lights on the back of this car when I pulled out of that complex a minute ago, and I almost got ran over. That's for sure. I think the guy that was driving the car that almost ran me over, I think he thought the police were coming after him, or he was running from somebody, but he come past me running way too fast, and he almost hit me. There wouldn't have been any more videos coming out, I can tell you that. Anyway, we're gonna roll. Is the right white one yours? That one it? Yeah, man, you got to put that sticker on there. See the sticker, man? You got to put the sticker on it. Well, without the month sticker, the tag's not legal.
I don't know why is the but who tell they take the car?
The office, man. That's it. They tow cars when the tags are not.
See, because the plate is new one. It's the new car. We take it to the Toyota.
Yeah, I understand. I see it's new. I understand. Yeah, it's unfortunate that you got towed, but you got to keep that. Hey, that sticker's got to be on there. Did you get an orange sticker on the car?
I don't know. It's in there because we remember the plate is coming because the Toyota sent the plate. But I don't remember. He sent me the ticket.
Yeah. The orange, the yellow, the orange sticker.
Huh?
The orange sticker was on the car.
But when he put it, because
Pull the orange sticker. Where it is?
what this one?
Yeah.
When did they? Because I parked my car Monday.
Yeah, no decal. Yeah, they stickered it for no tags. I mean, on our end, it was a legit tow. We don't tow for no reason. If that sticker would have been on there,
Who put this sticker in the office?
I'm not sure. So sometimes it's done by maintenance guys, the manager, or we can do them. I'm not sure who. I'm not sure on that property. I don't know. Every property does it different. It's up to how they do them, how they want to do them. But a lot of people, what they do, their tag goes bad, and not you in your case, no. A lot of people, the tag goes bad, they peel the sticker off so that you can't see the date. That's what a lot of people do.
How much is for the?
I had to call and ask them.
Tell them to put me too much money because I working, man.
I know.
I work in the construction because in the taxi is bad.
I know, it's hard.
Raining, no work in the construction.
Yeah.
Need to go into.
I know, man. I know it's hard, man.
I'm
know.
gonna call the.
Yeah, I got a gentleman here with the RAV4 from yesterday. He wants to know how much his payout is. That's what I figured. Okay. Okay. Hey, it's $195.
How much?
$195. Hey, I might have to call you with a car in a minute. I'm gonna get him back in the office and move this truck out of the way. So, okay, you got it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate everybody clicking and following the channel. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and share. Tell everybody about the channel. Help me grow. The only way I can grow is through my subscribers. Without the subscribers, this channel ain't nothing. Anyway, thank you. Peace.